Filmio is providing a new model for fan involvement in the creation and distribution of film production. It provides a platform where filmmakers can submit their idea for a project and work towards passing that project by going through 4 stages: proof of originality, proof of adoption, development and funding, distribution. The platform also allows fans to support projects with the use of fan tokens that they stake to individual projects. Staking fan tokens can earn rewards with governance tokens, as well as showing support for a project, giving it a better chance of progressing through the stages. For those degens familiar with blockchains and the Layer 2 Polygon blockchain, fan tokens can be purchased on MEXC or Uniswap with USDT using a MetaMask wallet. Filmio also motivates fans by rewarding them with higher tiers after completing tasks. For example, I reached bronze tier by writing reviews and favouring some projects, and my next goal is to reach silver tier. However, I wouldn't rush to buy fan tokens quite yet. My major concern is, what are the incentives for sincere filmmakers to submit quality projects? For example, one of the top projects, Ring Cave, looks like it has Pierce Brosnan secured as the lead actor. But considering the poor English for the logline and story, and only one crew member, I'm doubting Pierce Brosnan is really a part of this. But I have found some credible projects. Face to Face is a short film involving 2 characters and 1 location. It has a professional lookbook and a compelling logline and story, which demonstrates to me these are filmmakers who have industry experience. One current challenge I'm seeing with Filmio is that fans having involvement in the development and production process may not be such a great idea after all, because they don't have industry experience on what it takes to make quality movies and television, and thus end up supporting projects that have almost no chance of getting made, and if they did, would probably be unwatchable. Furthermore, incentives might be a bit mixed, as fans just want to advance through the tiers, or believe that by staking projects, they'll just make money in the hope that Filmio grows in value as a hyped project. However, I think it does have promise as it provides exposure for serious projects. I might be interested if it moves in one of 2 directions. One towards more of a fan hype machine that allows established franchises to interact with fans. For example, if Disney allowed Star Wars fans to stake their tokens in support of some character offshoots. Or it becomes more of a movie and TV industry platform where knowledgeable fans and industry participants can support more serious indie projects such as Face to Face. At the moment, I'm also trying out Filmio as a filmmaker with a script I wrote a few years ago called Bath of Blood, so I can learn a bit more about the process and see if the platform really can provide opportunities for budding filmmakers. Another concern though, I couldn't find much information about who is working in the team at the moment. The website mentions that Ingredient X is the creative force behind Filmio, and you can see some information on the Ingredient X website about an 8-member core team with links to LinkedIn. And they mention the president and executive chairman in a video blurb. But I could only find a couple of members focused full-time on Filmio, as Ingredient X works on many projects. I'll continue to try out Filmio and monitor its progress over the year to see if it has a sustainable business model for investors and can offer concrete solutions for filmmakers in the way of development and/or film distribution.